So a lot of students are messaging me that, sir, what should we do now? There is so much of uncertainty that is happening. We have completed the course once, but we are not able to recall what is happening. So I want to tell everybody that every competitive exam is like a filter paper. And we all have, yes, today in the morning motivation session, I was talking to the students and I was talking about this filter paper. So that means that in order to do well in this exam, what you have to do is you have to identify the stuff that is able to pass through this filter paper. So you have to get your mindset on this track, so that means the things that are more commonly asked in the exam, you are paying more attention and more focus to those things. Your revision should be more focused onto these points. To address these queries of the students, DBMCI is bringing a very, very special program, a very, very close program to my heart. It's special revision program for 60 days. So it's special revision program for 60 days, which we will be starting from 12th of December. Now, the major highlights of this particular program is that all the things that are asked in the exam that are needed to crack the exam will be covered from all 19 subjects in a crisp and a concise manner. So the program will start on 12th of December. Just to give you some highlights of the program, this program is specifically focused for those students who are unable to read on their own, who are procrastinating, who are not able to complete because of the uncertainties, who have completed but now not able to decide what they need to revise. Any student who is scoring more than 550 or 600 marks in the GT at this stage need not to join this particular course. However, anybody who is struggling to qualify, anybody who is struggling to improve their score, the score have become static in the GT, this program is gonna be a boon for them in the preparation, where each and every subject, the stuff that is asked in the exam in an integrated manner, in a most appropriate manner will be taught to you here. So before you jump on to subscribing the course, I want to show you the schedule. I want to tell you what are the salient features of this particular course. So the first thing is all the 19 subjects will be covered in the form of daily live classes. So please remember, it is not a recorded course. Content will be provided to you in the form of a structured program in the live classes. The live classes will happen from 1 p.m. to 8 p.m. Okay, this is the broad timing of the course. There might be one or the two classes that will be there in the morning, but otherwise the standard schedule of the class would be 1 p.m. to 8 p.m. Now, last year when we did the power course, we kept the classes in the morning, but I did brainstorming with Dr. Thamim and we came to the conclusion that 9 to 1 time, because this is the most likely time of the examination, should be focused on doing the MCQs, and that is why the classes have been kept from 1 p.m. to 8 p.m. So the class will happen, please remember, it will be a live class that will happen on DBMCI live app. If you want to attend the course, you have to attend the class live. I want to make it very clear that the recording of the class will not be available to you. So the class will happen from 1 to 8 p.m. and the same class will be available up to midnight. After that, the class will be taken off. No reason. There should not be any reason. The only thing that you have to do is you have to attend the class live. Okay. So no recording of the class will be available. Once the course will be completed, that means on 12th of February, the recording will be made available for the next 2 weeks, so that if you have a backlog, you can cover it at that point of time. But in the middle of the course, no recording will be available. As I have told you, this is specifically for those students who are procrastinating ki chalo, we will do it later, because we know that tomorrow never comes. So you have to attend the course there and then, you have to attend the class there and then, you have to attend the all important lectures there and then. Plus, you will be getting an access of question bank of DBMCI. you will be having post-class test. So if I show you the schedule, we will be starting with ophthalmology. Ophthalmology will be covered in 2 days. Now, those who think that will we be able to cover ophthalmology in the 2 days? So the answer is there is no limit onto the content that you can read. Now you can watch my video on a step ladder approach. There is always a priority that which you have to go forward. So all the things which are relevant, which are asked, you remember that we are talking about that filter paper, the things that are filtered out, the mindset of the examiner, the things that are asked in the exam will be taught to you. Okay. Then after the ophthalmology, you will have an ophthalmology test. Then you will have an ortho class. After that, you will be having an ortho test. Then you have a pediatric class, and then you will have a pediatric test. Then you will have a micro class, and then you have a micro test. And then combining the four, you will be having a cumulative test where ophthalmology, ortho, pediatrics, and micro will be asked. We will try to have these tests exactly on the same way as nowadays the exams are being asked, as you are sitting in the hospital or trying to treat a particular patient, trying to manage a patient. Apart from this, you will also be getting an access of grand test in a structured environment in a way that you will be writing your exam. So, important points that are there in, you will be having live classes, you will be having the post-class test, you will be having cumulative test, you will be having grand test. I am once again telling you that the video recording of the lecture will not be available to you for a later watch. If you want to crack the exam, you will have to avoid this behavior of doing it later. You will have to do it there and there. Yes, if the class ends at 8 p.m. for the next 3 to 4 hours, as I told you, up to midnight, the content will be made available. Still, sometime it becomes difficult to remain motivated. So I will be available for all of you. This is something which is very, very close to my heart. All the students who will be joining this particular course, we will be having a daily Zoom session in the morning from 9 a.m. So for 15 minutes, we will be having a daily Zoom session exclusively for the students who are enrolled in this particular course, where we will be talking about that how this subject should be done, some tips and tricks of the exam, and not just me. I will be joined by a lot of faculties, lot of toppers. And when I say topper always does not mean the one who got rank 1 or rank 10. For me, topper is somebody who has come out against an odd and able to score. This rank could be 20,000, this rank could be 10,000, this rank could be 500, or this rank could be 1 or 10. So topper is, for me, is somebody who has got a rank that they were looking for. They have beaten the odd circumstances and they have come out as a winner. So I am very, very sure that this course will be extremely useful for you in your preparation, specifically if you are struggling in completing the course, if you are struggling in maintaining a schedule, if you are struggling to write the GT, or if you are not motivated enough that why should I read. So we have the solution for all these challenges for you. I will not leave you. I am there to take care of you in this course because I believe that there is a group of students who need us, and anybody who need us, we are there for them. So if you think that this course can help you in your preparation, join this. The link is given in the description, and together we will beat the NEET.